A letter came today from my draft board with trembling hands, a red questionnaire. It asked a lot of questions about my mama and my papa. Well, that ain't what I call exactly fair. So I'm headed for the nearest foreign border. Vancouver might be just my kind of town, 'cause they don't have a kind of law and order that tends to keep a good man underground. A sad old soldier once told me a story about a battlefield he was on. He said a man should never fight for glory. Well, I guess he knows what's right and what is wrong. So I'm headed for the nearest foreign border. Vancouver might be just my kind of town, 'cause they don't have the kind of law and order that tends to keep a good man underground. I owe my uncle. I expect that it's more than I can pay, but he's asking me to sign a 3-year contract. Well, I guess I'll catch the next bus out today, and I'm headed for the nearest foreign border. Vancouver might be just my kind of town, 'cause they don't have the kind of law and order that tends to keep a good man underground. 'Cause they don't have the kind of law and order that tends to keep a good man underground.